Need some help? Okay. What do you think? Henry, you going up on the new chair? I think it's nice. Here, Elsa's calling you up on the chair. Do you like it, Elsa? You like dancing on it, huh? It doesn't rock. Can you say hi? Hi to Dada? Can you say hi? Maybe, since Daddy gave you a corn muffin today and then got in the shower, I'll feed you a corn muffin on the chair. How would he like that, I wonder? Okay. Coming down? Good girl. All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.